Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can make money like this by clicking advertisement and completing task. During this video I'm gonna show you the two websites where you can maximize your earning every single day. Before that, if you are new to our channel, click the subscribe button, press the bell icon, also smash the like button on the bottom of the video, and watch the video until the end for the June giveaway. I run the giveaway every single day for entire June, so watch the video for that. The website which I'm going to show you gonna pay you money like this. People are earning money like this every single day by clicking ad and completing a task. So the website is called GPT Planet. So I'm going to watch the video I'm going to show how you can make most money out of this website. They paid around 1.4 million to their 63,000 members. So there's no large competition for this. So what you have to do is working worldwide, so you don't have to pay for anything. Register a free account. I did that, but I'm waiting for the verification email right now. So once you register, you earn and you can cash out. One drawback about this site is they don't have a PayPal cash out. There's no gift card, just skill. You have a skill, Nettler and Payeer and Payback Money for, or you have a Bitcoin wallet. No PayPal. This is the only drawback. So you can earn up to 0.01 pence per click. Yeah, you can't earn $1 per click, but 0.01 pence per click. This is the maximum earning potential per click. There's a lower pay for different click. I will show you guys in a minute. So you can cash out when you get $1, and you can using this payment method, and you can earn up to 100% reward earning. And you can there's a price section here where you can win $1 per 1,000 clicks, something like that. Okay, so if you go to the section for the review, you can see the 4.4 out of 5 with 930 opinion. And if we come down to bottom, people are withdrawing their money. So 1 week ago $12, 6 days ago $8.26. So the people are withdrawing money out of this site every single day. So if this is the advertisement, so for the different websites you can go and click and check it out, but don't waste your time there. So you have to come to at the top of the website and click view ad. It will take to this page where it's gonna show you all the premium, normal, and micro or nano ads, which mean if you have these other fixed advertisement, so if you click this link you get 0.001 pence. All right, so if we click this link, for example here, and we take it to this page where you have to spend around 5 seconds before it will automatically redirect you to the site, and you get the points. At the moment I didn't register account, so I can't earn that point. You are not logged in. So this is how I gonna make money by clicking this ad. These fixed ads are there. You can click ad every single day and earn points from that. There's a second called premium plus ad. They pay you to put more, 0.01 pence. You can see here these advertisement pay a little bit more than these fixed advertisement. Again, you click and wait for 5 seconds and you get paid for that. Then you have a macro ad, which is less than the premium and fixed ad, and then you have a micro ad, which is less than the macro one. Then you have a tiny ads, which is less than the micro ad. Then you have a nano ads, which is also less than the tiny ads. So you have all these advertisement every single day, just you can click and earn that. But you are not going to earn money from this by clicking advertisement here. This other section, if you watch this video until now, you're gonna see that section here. If you go to the earn more button here and click, there is lots of offer to finish. The first one, click GPT grid. This is provided by this website. This is the grid of a picture. So you click the picture, it will take to the again it will take the other page and play the advertisement. Sometimes you get points, but if you are lucky you can win up to $1 per click if you click in the right square. So this is how you can make a little bit more money. So you can pretty easily play just clicking anywhere the picture and win up to $1. Yes, if you click randomly, if you don't win $1, you didn't get any points or you didn't get any payment. Just every time come to the new image here, there's a different image played every time you click it. So for example, if I click, it will take to this page, right? And if I come so if I go back, and you must log into your account to play. Yes, if you go, you can click a different square and you click the right one and you get paid $1 for that click. Now this is one section. This other section is called vendor ads. If you click that, it will take to this page where you can see lots of offers on the wall. These people again earning every single day, but we don't want that at the moment. Here, if you come to here, offer at that time, I need to log in to see that, but I will show the vendor ad on a different website that you can earn a little bit more points. Then you are clicking medium path, it will take to this page again where you can get more offers. Here you can complete this service and get 28 cents, 24 cents, 35 cents by completing the offers. Here if you click mobile app or others, there's a different offers are here to complete. But also if you click skip ad, where you can see lots of other ads to click here. So for example, if you come down the bottom here, again you earn money for completing service. Here you can see different service pay you different amount of money. But if you go to bottom, and there's a section called click, and if you see that, again you get points by clicking this survey ad button here, and you earn that points every single time, and every single hours or 2 or 3 hours later a new ad will be placed here, so you can earn. So if you click refresh button after you've completed that, it will again display the more ad to click here. And there's a other section is called offer walls. These sections are needed login to see inside, because they have integration error, because they can't show you the offers without logging into it. I am waiting for their verification email, so once I done that, I can earn money by clicking ad. This is the one website that basically you can earn money by clicking ad. This is the main part of this website, and there's other section where you can earn money by completing surveys, and you can get paid through Pioneer, Nectar and Skrill, and the minimum payout is $1, so you can pay out every single day without waiting for, and it's gonna take at least 2 to 3 days to get your account. This is the first website, but you can earn money by clicking advertisement. This is the second website I'm gonna show you. You can earn similar to this, but there's no clicking ad, but you can earn lots of money using the second website. The second website is called Wyzen.com. I already made a review on that. I put the link in the description for the full review. You can go and check it out. But here, if you go to the Wyzen account and click there's an offer section here, and again if you click Wyzen offers, it will take to this page where you can earn up to £3 by completing this sign up form. If you don't have a Prime account, you can get for 30-day free trial. You don't have to put your credit card or anything, just 30-day free trial. When you sign up, they will pay you $3 for the sign up, guys. Then you can cancel anytime you want. It's the same thing for different website here. You can sign in for different lots of website and all these points every single year. Lots of points are here. But if they are paying a little bit more, then you need to spend a little bit money on their website. If you don't want that, you can just download the app, register, or go to the website and sign up for the free trial, and you can get paid for that. So there's other section on here. There's a vendor ad, which is also here in GPT Planet. Again here they're gonna show lots of over. We can't see that there, but here you can see 500 cents. This is the one I'm talking about. App, download and register, you get these points, and you can get these points for signups. These are free trial sign up, and you don't have to put your credit card or anything, and you can get these points, guys. This is from vendor ad. Then you have loads of ads are here. Also there's a peanut lab, and you can add kit here. These are other offer section are here that you can complete and earn money. This offer section, if I click add kit, it will take you to this page where you can see these apps are Spotify. When your subs can sign up and validate your information. Yes, once you download this app, or you can go to laptop version of it, sign up and validate your information and get these points. then you can cancel the subscription if you want. There's that's why you can earn money by that. There's lots of things section here, and if we go to the ad gem, let's see what they're offering right now. Yes, this again, you can complete survey and earn points, or download this app and complete the levels, and you can earn these points, guys. And you can gather up all the points. Like I said, GTP Planet, the main part of it, you earn money by clicking ad, and other offer section are here. And Vyzen, again, there's no advertisement to click, but you can earn lots of money every single day by completing these offers. Now, bigger the offers need to register account. Sometimes they ask you to put a credit card or debit card in order to complete the process, and you get to pay in the points. Then you can cancel their subscription account in the later days. But if you're worrying about putting your card details or debit card, credit card details, you can always go to the website like this, privacy.com, or any other website that you can get virtual credit card. You can put those information and register for the accounts here. Then you can cancel it anytime. So in a way that masks your entire your credit card information, your personal banking details, so you don't have to worry about that. Again, this site pay you through PayPal and gift card, so you can pay out you need a minimum $10 you need to pay out through PayPal, and Pioneer's also available, Squid also available. So like I said, guys, if you use both of these sites, and you can make money like this every single day. And the giveaway is, if this video hit 100 likes, I will do the giveaway by picking the winner on the next video. All you have to do is subscribe and like the video. So press the like button. On the comment section, write I like this video and put your PayPal address, and I pick a winner using go through the comment section. I pick a winner on the next video if this video get 100 likes. But if these competitions or the giveaway only happen in the June 2020. So guys, if you really like a video, click the subscribe button, press the bell icon. Also, don't forget to like our video, and see you in the next one.